Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have a video of going over and explaining everything that the Mod4Cars top module does for the convertible. A lot of people asked, why is it so much money and what else can it do? Because I've only really explained a couple features. In this video, we are going to be going over and showing every single feature that the Mod4Cars top module is able to do. But before we get into that, I just want to give a shout out to New Air for sending out this awesome space heater. We just got a 240 watt space heater. I live in Massachusetts. It's really cold. It's like 19 degrees out, and they just sent out an awesome 240 volt space heater that is capable of heating around 500 square feet. So let me show it to you. So I know it's gonna be a little loud because we do have the heater going. When we first started, this garage was 39 degrees. It is now 49. So we are just running this heater, testing it out, seeing how well it does. It also comes with a remote, which is pretty cool. It does need batteries, so we'll get that. And it also comes with this hanging bracket, so we are going to hopefully hang it up on the wall, and it has a fan, so we're blowing air around instead of just heating it up. And the coil is getting very hot and it's blowing out really hot air. We've only been running it for a little while, and so far it's been heating up the garage very quickly. I will drop a link down in the description for this specific heater if you guys want to check it out. They also make a 120 volt version. We went with the 240 only because it has a bigger space. This is a big garage, so we need it to heat up the garage. If you guys have any questions about this heater, drop in the comments below. Like I said, I'll put a link to it where you can buy this heater, everything like that. Check it out. It's an awesome heater so far. Really enjoying it. Much better than having a big loud kerosene heater. So we'll see how it does. So the first feature is being able to put the top up or down with the OneTouch functionality of just pressing the button on the center console. So as you can see right now, convertible top is down, and now observe as the button is pressed. The button was pressed, no one's pressing it. Still not being pressed. Convertible top is now shut. And observe also that the windows are also going up by themselves. So the next feature we're showing are the coming home / leaving lights. So if you lock or unlock your car, the fog lights and the rear tail lights come on whether you lock or unlock your car. So coming home when you lock your car, and leaving, coming home when you lock the car or when you unlock the car, both the lights will turn on front and back for around 15 seconds.
Alright guys, so another function we're going to go over is the remote windows and convertible top. So if you tap it or hold it for 2 seconds, then it'll put the windows up or down, and you can code it to have it either tap or hold. And if you hold the remote for 3 seconds or tap it 3 times, the top will either go up or down. So let's tap the unlock button twice. So as you guys can see, I have the windows set down for holding the unlock button, and then I have the top set for pressing it 3 times. So you can see the top unlock, and it'll start to go down, and we can also see the turn signals. They're going around the car clockwise.
I think that's a really cool functionality. So you can just see that the convertible top is going down visually with all the lights going around the car. And using this module is one of the easiest ways you can have the car put down the top, since it doesn't really require any real coding like IMPA or BMW scanner. So it's a very easy way. You don't actually have to tap into the car's OBD2 port and use some sort of difficult software. It's pretty easy to use their software to code this functionality, since it's basically all in English, and you just pick numbers 1 to whatever 10 depending on the feature. So the next feature we are going to show is that you can drive the car while putting the convertible top up. So he's driving right now. As you can see, the car's moving, and the convertible top is going up while he is moving. Such an amazing feature that is really cool, and the whole purpose of why we wanted this module, because a lot of the times when you're driving, you can't put up the convertible top, even if you're just coming away from a stop sign. So this makes it super easy if you're just rolling away from a stop sign to put up the convertible top. And you can do it up to like 40 kilometers, which is really quick. He only has it set at like 18, something slow, just so when you get going, it will go up if you're at a red light. So the last feature we are going to show is the ability for the car to unlock itself when you pull the key in out of the ignition or when the ignition shuts off. So let me show you. So key was pulled out and the doors unlocked. You probably heard it. You probably didn't, obviously, I showed it to you, but you probably heard the unlocking sound as soon as the key was pulled out of the ignition. So just to show that, so now the car unlocks, so now when he opens up the door, it just opens. You don't have to pull it twice like you normally would if the car was locked. So that's it I have for this video. I will drop a link down to this module down in the description. You saw the other video of actually how to install it, so go check it out if you want to know how to install this module. It piggybacks off the convertible module, so look for the link down in the description below. If you have any questions about this module, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you like what we're doing, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.